Mac! Is Mac back? Is Mac back? Hello, my name is Porsha Marie. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today we will be doing a makeup tutorial with some new products. So let's get straight into it. Okay, y'all, came on the camera with no eyebrows on. So we're going to go ahead and do our eyebrows. And all I'm doing is just outlining my eyebrows, filling them in. And this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown. So first I outline and then I fill in. So I gotta make sure. I'm gonna go in with my Sephora 50N concealer to underline my eyebrows. And I'm also gonna add this concealer to my lid. Alright, y'all, the concealer is on, the eyebrows are on. I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my lips using our Fenty Skin lip mask. I'm gonna go in with this MAC Surreal moisturizer to moisturize our face. With my e.l.f. primer. This stuff is so sticky, y'all. My skin looks so good. Right? So now we're gonna go ahead and apply this bad boy. I already shook it up. Alright. Sorry y'all, my camera cut off. We're gonna go ahead and blend in this foundation. And this is the Born This Way. Let's see, Healthy Glow in the shade Maple. It's like a good color. I just gotta make sure, because sometimes, you know, Sephora plays tricks on you in the lighting. So it looks good though. Okay, this is the face with the foundation on. Now we're gonna go ahead and go in. So we're gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape and deep bronze. Deep bronze. You always need some more, just going with some more product. And we're just going to bronze up. I'm in my little cup. I'm in my little cup, trying to get my nose bronzer. This does look a little healthy glow. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with this Natasha Denona concealer. Only tried it like twice. It's really yellow. It's really yellow-y, so we're gonna try it. I'm gonna try it with y'all for the first time. 'Cause I liked it. When I swatched it in store, I was like, oh, this is so smooth. I just want it everywhere for my face can be balanced. I'm gonna go in with a Real Techniques brush to blend this out. I don't want that much coverage on my chin, so I'm gonna go in and blend my chin out first. I'll go in with this elf sponge and blend this out. Did y'all see that Patrick Star is coming out with a new setting powder? New shade. It's going to be Sweet Honey in a pink color. I was trying to find it, but I can review it for you guys, but it's not in Sephora yet. I called like 3 Sephoras Friday, and they didn't have it, so I guess I'm just gonna wait. I'm very impatient when it comes to products. I like it right then and there if I want it, but I'm gonna still be on the lookout for that powder. The shade looks similar to the Laura Mercier powder in Honey. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and try out this MAC Studio Fix Pro Set and Blur in the shade Medium. Because I like to set everything down. It comes with a little puff. Let me open this up. Hopefully it doesn't mess up my makeup. Let me see. Okay, it looks very light. Do I want to use this puff? We're gonna go ahead and try and use this puff. We're going to pour the powder in the top. I'll do one. I'll see how the puff is. So we're going to go ahead and go in. It's like a beige. It's like a peach beige. That's the color. Y'all can see it. We're just going to go ahead and apply it. I don't want it to be like ashy, you know, so we're just going to see. It's very smooth. It's very smooth. Alright, y'all. This is the powder applied. And I think it looks really good. This is just a powder brush. Nothing's on this. I'm just pressing in this powder. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the bronzer. And I got Richard Rosy. And I'm gonna use my Big Mama brush. And I'm just going to, let's see. All these bronzers and blushes coming out. I can't keep up, y'all. I can't keep up. This powder looks so good. Look, I put a filter underneath my eye. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have to go in with my Fenty powder. Baby, no, I do not. This powder looks so good. And I got the shade medium, y'all. I was gonna get the one next to it for our skin color, but I was like, no, let me try medium. So, if y'all my skin complexion, y'all want something a little brighter, try that medium, baby, because it looks so good. And once I set this, what? Once I set this, what? And this is the bronzer. Oh yeah, where are we going today? Are we going to the mall? Are we going out to eat? Like, where are we going today, baby? Because I gotta go out and show my makeup. This looks so good. I'm using this to do my nose as well. And I'm just going to pat this in. This looks so good. I haven't even put on no blush, y'all. No blush. No blush. No blush. I'm never put on no blush. This looks so good. And then this bronzer with it. What? MAC. Is MAC back? Is MAC back? Okay. I'm going to go in with a little bit of my Fenty powder for that extra security. Just around right here. But that's it. 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 This face looks so good. No filter. Okay. We're going to go in with this Danessa Myricks blush. I just went in with a little bit because, you know, she can get excited. And this is Prima Donna, Danessa Myricks. And I'm just going to blend this out. I'm going to go in with a little bit of this Jaclyn Hill in the shade, I don't know, but it has apricot, hazelnut, cocoa, and coffee. Those are the shade names on this palette. And I seen my good sis, Natasha S, apply this. Damn, they be having these packages too tight. Okay, here we go. This is the product right here. This. I'm going to go in with a Morphe brush. These are the shades. So I'm going to go in just like she did with these top two. And I'm just going to brighten it up right here. We're not going to do too much. We're just going to put it right here. Oh, this looks so good. I haven't did my makeup in so long, y'all. Because all I do is just put primer and moisturizer on my face when I go to work. But baby, this looks so good. Okay, let me bring back my nose. One last time y'all went shopping and got y'all some new makeup, because I think y'all need to go shopping and get y'all some of these products, because baby, what? It looks so good. And we're just gonna go ahead and go in with a little bit of this highlighter, the Rare Beauty in Blunt, nothing new. So highlight this nose a little bit. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna highlight the nose. Let's see. I'll just put a little bit on the cheeks, a little bit. The Coffee Shop, we're not gonna do nothing crazy. Okay, and if you haven't seen it, this is how it looks. Grounds. We're just gonna mix those together and see what it gives us. I'm still in those two shades, blending it out. White color, this cream color. It's a cream color. And just go right here. Yeah, that's cute. Then if you want something more later, you can just always go back right over that color and go in with like a light glitter. And it'll be popping. And I just use my brush, follow my eyelid to kind of map out where I want the eyeshadow to go in that little crease part. That's how I do mine. If y'all are unsure. Then I'm gonna go right back in. Make sure that white didn't go too far and like flick it outwards. If y'all want some more eyeshadow tutorials, let me know, because I know how to do eyeshadow, baby. I just don't be doing it. And this is a very affordable palette. It was like $25. Okay, this is cute. It's a little moment. So like right here. Okay, oh Lord. Okay, so I just went in with this shade. Now I'm gonna go in with this shade. And I'm just going to like outline. And it's... I'm just gonna outline in that crease. Oh, that's it for today's video. Let me know if y'all try any of these products. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. There will be more videos to come.